data types. This is the first type of data type, like integer data types. So let's see. An integer in Python is a whole number, positive or negative, without decimals of unlimited length. So let's see here. Integer means which is not considering decimal values like character values also. It may be is a positive or negative, but it does not consist decimals and the characters in the data types of the integer. Integer means only the values which is considered from the positive to negative, like minus infinity to plus infinity, which does not include decimal values. So like numbers as 5 minus 5 6 minus 600, like this. So see here example as x is equals to 42. So it prints a type of a, then it prints the int value. If you give the 42.6, then it is not the integer value, it prints as a float. So let's see the methods of the integer data types. So these are the 7 steps of the methods which includes in the integer data types. So int of x is converts a value to an integer. So int of x, which the value of it may be 42.5 or 62.5, it is converts to integer value which does not include after the decimal. It if we taken as 42.5, it prints only 42. Other than, then it erases. Absolute of x means it prints the absolute value of the x, means like if you take the 42.0 or 42.6, it gives the absolute value which does not includes any decimal points. After next video you can see this type of methods into the programming. Let's see next step. Power of x comma y returns raised x raised to the power of y. So here let's see here whether it is the power, means if you take 2 and 3 in place of x and y, 2 power 3 is the value, means it is the 8 answer. So this is the power expression formula. So this is the div mode of x comma y. Division mode we consider as the returns a tuple, means see here x double slash y and x percentage y. So this is the division of the x comma y, which includes in the uh, Python programming. You can able to understand these steps why we discussing in the data types. So this is the 0 and 1s are includes in the binary values, and 0 to 7 it includes in the hexadecimal values, and 0 9 and includes of characters like a to f, it includes in the octal string, which see here converts integer x to binary. If you take as like 6, it converts into binary values. So let's see here, if you take as a 6, what is the decimal value of 6? Like I'm taking here as so see here, if I'm taking as 6, what is the values of what is the value of 6? See here 1 2 4 8. This is the binary values expandation. So see here 0 1 1 0. This is the binary values which converts it. So see here converts integer x to binary string. So see here, if I taken as x of 6 equals to, then the values prints as a 0 1 1 0 as a binary value. So see here again 0 comma 7 hexa of x converts integer x to hexadecimal string. Let's see these expressions I tell in the next video how to include in the Python programming. 0 comma 7, it prints the values from 0 to 7 in the hexadecimal values. Converts integer x to hexadecimal string. So if you take as x equals to 6, it prints to hexadecimal string. So I will show in the programming in next video. 0, 9 and A to F in the octal, it converts to the octal string. If you take as a 6, it converts into the values and including as characters, it prints to the octal string. So this is the integer data type. Next video I tell about the string data types.